Hello and welcome everybody from Dubai. This time I will show you a less known attraction of this beautiful city, which is the green planet of Dubai. You can imagine a tropical rainforest in the middle of the desert. Well, it's not in the middle of the desert, but you know, Dubai was built on a desert, so it's really amazing that you can go in this first biodome of this region, and you can find inside a tropical rainforest where they maintain the typical conditions of rainforest temperature and humidity, which is 75%. They keep these conditions in an artificial way, and you can find almost 3,000 plants and animals typical to the rainforest, so it's really nice to visit it. So yeah, let's go inside and let's get started. Really huge building. This rainforest has more levels actually. I never saw a toucan before. It's really amazing. Well, it's really amazing that these parrots are flying just some centimeters far from me. I have seen something very similar in Singapore, but well, their rainforests are very normal, like very close to the equator, so here is very strange to have in the Middle East such a thing. So this one is python, right?
Yes,
This
it's
is
a ball
not
python.
bites, it stretches.
Yeah, this one will like strangle. So
Yeah.
it wraps around the prey,
Yes.
then squeeze tight. Then we just open and
Yeah. Then swallow it.
yes, exactly. Yeah. They don't have venom now.
Yeah. Just chilling here. You look very tired.
What are these? What are these? Those are leopard jackets. Ayan. Leopard jacket.
Okay, he gave up.
So this was the vlog about Green Planet in Dubai. Well, I'm not an expert about these animals, but they were so exotic. I think even a scientist, somebody who is a real expert about it, wouldn't recognize all of them, because these were brought from South America and South Africa. So yes, sorry about that I didn't add any description or any other interesting informations about this. Before I end this vlog, I would like to add some interesting travel hint about Green Planet of Dubai, because if you just arrive here and want to buy a ticket, it costs 120 dirham, which is like I think 25 euros or even more, 27 approximately. So it's kind of expensive, but if you book through this Kobone app, which I already mentioned in some other Dubai vlogs, then well, I'm not paid for this advertising. I just want to give you some travel hints how you can discover this Green Planet cheap. So, well, this Kobone application and Kobone web page, which contains a lot of promotional activities of Dubai, this is where I booked this ticket to the Green Planet, and it was only 75 dirham. So I think you can save almost like a price of a dinner. So it's really recommended to use it. How you can get there to the Green Planet of Dubai? It's very easy. Just take the red metro line and get off at Burj Khalifa Dubai Mall station, and from there is like 1.5 kilometers by walking, but of course you can take also taxi. It takes you everywhere. Well, this was everything about Green Planet. I hope you enjoyed it, and if that's so, then please subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day and goodbye.